There are different types of dental bridges. We like to provide the very best. First of all, there are bridges that you can do on regular teeth, and they're permanent, and it takes us about an hour, hour and a half to prepare these. We'll actually take the two opposite teeth where the space is, we'll prepare those other two teeth, and we'll put a structure on there temporary until we have a permanent bridge made, which will be cemented and will always stay in place. Another type that you might want is one with implants, where you'll have two implants and you can actually secure the bridge on those two implants, which is wonderful, especially in a place where you're missing teeth or you're missing bone, that you can place the bridge there. Another type of bridge that you can have that's wonderful is a fixed bridge. We call these roundhouses, and they're beautiful. We'll put a number of mini implants in there, and then we'll cement that bridge permanently, and that will aesthetically and function for you for many years, and you'll be able to speak and eat all the foods that you normally would.